I'm here for Aiden. It's gut-wrenching. It's hurtful to think about what happened to him.
Magali Lopez is the former foster mom of Aiden Bevins. She came to court today to look at Aiden's dad, 36-year-old Jacob Bevins, for the first time since police arrested him for allegedly murdering his child.
I feel like there are many that are responsible for what happened to him. And this is just a start. He needs justice.
Last month, King 5 broke the story that Aiden's body had been discovered by police, buried on his dad's property. People who knew Aiden say they hadn't seen him in more than a year. I spoke with the father that day. That's him on the left. He told me Aiden had hurt himself and that he'd never seen the boy act that way before. This was on May 19th. The same day, we saw police come back to the house and speak again with Jacob Bevins. That encounter lasted about 10 minutes before Aberdeen police drove away. 3 weeks later, Tuesday, we saw police back at the dad's house again. They'd arrested him on suspicion of murder, unlawful disposal of remains, and lying to police.
A child's life was taken. The family, the mother and grandma and auntie and all of them were just, totally upset. And he's wandering around like nothing's going on, just another day.
Court documents filed today paint a harrowing picture of alleged abuse Aiden suffered in his short life. The Thurston County coroner found multiple injuries appearing to be the result of forceful trauma. They also found burn marks and other evidence of burns on Aiden's head, ribs, and upper and lower extremities. And as you saw in the story, I spoke with Jacob Bevins, the boy's father. That was about 3 weeks ago as the story was breaking. I can say it was honestly pretty surprising how candid he was. He was almost brought to tears, admitted that it was his son that died, said it's the hardest thing he's ever been through. He also told me he's never seen a child hurt himself like that, kind of implying that this was some tragic accident. The state is painting a very different picture. They're arguing this was, in fact, murder. In Grays Harbor County, Sebastian Robertson, King 5 News.